Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Important changes about Binance identity verification. Fellow Binantians, Binance reviews its products and services on an ongoing basis to determine changes and improvements in light of evolving global compliance standards.
To enhance user protections and provide a safe crypto environment for everyone, Binance is making the following changes. Effective immediately. All new users are required to complete intermediate verification to access Binance products and service offerings, including cryptocurrency deposits, trade and withdrawals. Existing users who have not completed intermediate verification will have their account permissions temporarily changed to withdraw only, with services limited to withdrawal, order cancellation, position closed, and redemption. This will be carried out in phases to minimize user experience disruption. From now through the 19th of October 2021, 12 a.m. UTC. Existing user will be informed directly with more details. Once user completed the intermediate verification, they will be able to resume full access to Binance products and service. Binance strongly advises users to complete their intermediate verification promptly to avoid delays in the verification process and restriction on their access. Binance is announcing these measures to help support its efforts in Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML. This will further enhance user protection and combat financial crime. Risk warning. Cryptocurrency trading is subject to high market risk. Please make your trades cautiously. Binance will make best effort to choose high-quality coins, but will not be responsible for your trading losses. Thank for your support, Binance team.